Okay, once you have added PlayPosit and made a bulb, your next step is to actually add an assignment. So I'm going to go to Add Materials, choose Add File Link External Tool. Okay, sometimes you get this message, so we try it again. And then it works. So don't give up when you see that. Choose External Tool. Okay, and for my tool provider, I'm going to go to PlayPosit. And I'm just going to write PlayPosit as the title here. And I am going to enable grading. Usually most of these are 30 points. I can make the due date today. It's homework. Okay, scales numeric. I can't choose a grading period here because this is my practice course. And then I'm going to click submit. Okay, it shows up in the course. All right, now I'm going to switch to the student view. And okay, once I click to the student view, you can see here's the assignment right here. And here is this problem. There's no bulb linked to this assignment because I forgot to do something first. So I'm going to go back to my instructor view. I'm going to go to this PlayPosit assignment on it to open it. Here's what I need to do. Set bulb link. And I am going to choose the right one. So I'm going to click the little Schoology icon next to the bulb link that I want. Set bulb link. Would you like to link it? Yes. You can choose self-paced, live broadcast. You could do it together. I'm going to click self-paced, link it. Okay, now the view is different for me. So if I go back to my student and I go back in here, now that horrible blue screen has gone away, and here is the ability to start the video.